Hello and welcome to Thursday. First off, our directions. So your learning target, you can investigate what it would be like to be a tourist in North Korea. We're going to do complete the warm-up. You're going to have a little video with a discussion question, pretty similar to yesterday, but a bit longer. And then as always, if you need any help, feel free to join your teacher's Google Meet and get said help. Going on to the warm-up. If you won a free trip to North Korea for a vacation, would you go? Why or why not? So we're really looking for the explanation here. For example, I would go. I think I would be safe. It's being paid for, so it's not like I could, worry about the price necessarily. And I think it would just be fascinating. I would be looking everywhere all the time, and I'd be getting as much information as I possibly could. And I'm also a kind of weird dude, so I don't know. What are you about? Have you seen enough in this unit where you could answer, or you just really have no idea? And then you have a video assignment for today, which is, after watching the video, answer one of the following questions. Was this view of North Korea what you expected? And then kind of just explain yourself why or why not. Or you can do, what do you think it would be like to visit North Korea? Explain your answer. So just kind of be thinking about either one of those as you watch the video. The video is a bit longer, but it's still under 15 minutes. And yeah, that's all for today. So one last time, if you need any extra help, feel free to join your teacher's Google Meet.